Stop moving your table, miss. It's a Chinese lady that set off their phone. She walked by and started ringing. We'll call the people. Well, tell me if the table starts ringing. No, not at all. How can you call?
Y'all slow, come on.
Hello, this was past the outside 88.
Where are you going, Sharon?
Yes. Oh, the food.
Oh, you can go.
Is that good?
Yes.
It would be bad if I pee on the ground.
Well,
Don't you sound different on the phone?
no.
Yes, you do.
You go pee!
It's a cold bathroom.
Oh my god, just go! You won't ring the doorbell. There it is.
No.
Right there it is.
Stop.
Chris?
I do all the time.
Right up.
You should have hit him harder.
That's not nice, Shannon.
It's all dark.
That's not nice, Shannon. Go.
Did you see his eyes?
Go.
Who is staring in somebody's eyes?
Aww. Yeah, that's what I was just about to say.
He was on something. Did you
Don't trip me, I got my camera, I'm making a video. No, no! You made me stop it, but no I didn't. I'm making a video.
There's the phone that you used to have. What the heck wrong with that thing? It has like lime all over it.
I want to go get his eyes.
Yes, no. No, not that.
I just got a video of you doing that. I just got a video of him doing that. I'm gonna show my mommy. I'm gonna show my mommy how retarded you guys are.
What? I beat Billy in that.
We did this last time we was here.
When Dad goes to champion, he
Cause you put a piece of paper in it.
A little bit like
With
that.
one hand?
Cause remember